Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's eyeshadow, it will be a collaboration with Accessorize Your Life. Her name is Julia and her channel name is Accessorize Your Life. The colors we pick is lime green and pink. And it is called #ColorMeBeautiful for Summer Collab. She does eyeshadow looks, she does Shop My Stash. She is really nice. Please go check her out. Her channel information will be in my description box. The link of her channel will be in my description box. Please go check her out, support, subscribe, show her some love, let her know I sent you. Thank you all again, and I am going to get ready so we can see what the look turned out to be. I don't know what her look is going to turn out to be. So I hope to see it when we publish. I'm going to start. I need to prep and get ready. It's all exciting. It's only two of us, but it's exciting, you know. All you need is you and somebody else, and it works very well. We are going to have this collab. So check Julia out on Accessorize Your Life. Time for the second eyes. I'm going to do the second eyes with the same pink and the same lime green. I'm using a very small brush because I want to be a little bit more precise. I'll do all the blending off camera, so this video is not too long. And I am back with the look for the collaboration between Accessorize Your Life and me. Accessorize Your Life and I are doing this collab. We are doing lime green and pink. Accessorize Your Life YouTube channel link will be in my description. Please go visit her, let her know Simply You Makeup sent you, and please subscribe, show her some love. We are just having fun and playing with our makeup. And I use the Artistry Vault palette by Playing in Makeup by Yolando. I used 2 colors and it is this lime green right here and this pink right here, and you can see where they are. This is my creation. I am my artist. If this is the first time that you're seeing me, please check out the rest of my videos. And also remember, pull your palette out, play with your palette, have fun, create the way you feel, not the way you look. Accessorize Your Life, her name is Julia. She does lots of fabulous things on her channel, so please spend a little time there. My lipstick for today is... Where did I put my lipstick? Okay. My lipstick for today is Black Radiance. It's what's on my lips right now. My foundation is UOMA Beauty. My blush is by JUVIA'S. I use this color right here. And then my bronzer is by Collab. Color Me Beautiful for summer. This is our theme. Please visit Julia from Accessorize Your Life and let her know that I sent you. Please like her channel, subscribe to her channel because she does some wonderful, wonderful things on there. And again, this is the look. We decided to go with pink and lime green. I hope you like, share, subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And today's motivational word is, please stay courageous. Please stay courageous. Don't give up. and I will see you in another video. Bye.